Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe Update today. Pepe is hitting at 12:30 and I feel like there's a lot of manipulation on the smaller time frame going on, and ever since Pepe started to lose the trend line itself, we've seen Pepe just literally falling down all the time, and we're sitting at 12:30 at the moment with still some intention to actually continue on to touch and retest the trend line at 1350 and whatnot. Trading the smaller time frame, especially when it comes to the 15 minutes time frame and the 5 minutes time frame, I feel like there's a lot of noise going on in here with all these time frames, of course, and that's why I do say on the announcement that if I feel like in Q3 there could be some final crashes somewhere between August and September. And while it's already very difficult to trade the lower time frame, there is still that one place. Let's say the comments that I have regarding this is that I haven't really given up on alt season just yet. I still think that alt season is just very close. Maybe in 2 to 3, 4, 5 months we may actually see it for real, and then you're gonna believe it once your eyes actually do see an alt season. We still have it coming in. The prophecies are still pointing that somewhere down the road, at the end of the year, the beginning of next year, we're going to have an alt season, but we're going to see if those prophecies are still true or not. And with that being said, in Q3 I can actually try to find something which can give 2 to 10x by Q4, maybe by alt season when it actually starts. So this crash in Q3 and get the rip off the reward in Q4 is something that, number one, again, that the fact that I'm saying Q3 actually comes with the fact of that you've been here and you've experienced Q3. The fact that I'm saying Q4 is because I've seen Q4 and what it does, and what kind of a coin is also going to give you this much in return. 2 to 10x also is a different research in itself. So that still is a value you get for free that will tell you down the road when it actually happens. So if you're on Discord, then you'll actually get to be able to do this. So come in Discord, come here, message me, just leave your message, and then you will be able to actually message me at some point so that I can actually tell you in your inboxes that these are the coins that, or this is a coin that can actually do that. So right now, again, you've moved up and you're not sideways, and you're not entertaining a lot of bulls anymore. You're really making it hard. Like marking in an entry right now is really, really hard. But the bigger picture here is that the one aspect of trading, if you want to actually enter this trade right now, is not to trade it at the point that it is at the moment, right? So wherever Pepe is trading right now, don't touch it. Just wait for it when you have a solid pattern setup, and the solid pattern setup is going to be when we see Pepe touching 1380, actually just touching, not even a number, just touching this trend line and getting rejected. So when it gets rejected at that particular trend line here, that, my friend, is your trade. Okay, now win or lose you do not know, but that is your trade, because if you fail, you have a trip all the way down to 990. However, if you pass, you're gonna lose a little bit with your stop losses, but then again, it is definitely worth the try that you can actually have. Now let's say you do not go for the retest and you just go and you drop to the downside. There is nothing you can do, just let it go. The best thing to do is, however the prices go up there, let it just go up there first, and then we're going to actually see what happens from that point onwards, and it will be much way more safe for you to really put in your trade and hope to get that win down the road. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.